Hey, it's Jamie J, the Classy Cheapskate, and today we're going to be making clear sparkle slime with a little help from my friend Nicole. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to make fluffy glitter slime. Get a bowl, pour in some glitter glue. That looks like a good amount.
It looks like poop. It's actually
next
unicorn poop.
Add some foam. Now we're going to use body foam.
A lot.
Wonder Woman. But you can use shaving cream. Okay, now let's mix that baby up.
Wow.
Get in there, people.
Spongy.
What do you think about more glue?
Yeah, let's add some more. I'll add it.
Like the whole thing?
Yeah, I'll add it.
Okay.
Let's add some unicorn poop.
Yeah. Unicorn poop.
Squeeze it, squeeze it.
Wow.
Beautiful unicorn poop. Oh. Beautiful.
Now let's see what goes on.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Okay. I think it's time for the saline solution.
Okay, now we're gonna add some saline solution.
Do you think it's because we put way too much foam in? Like, this is taking a while.
Do we add glue to this? Oh, yeah, we added glue. Okay, now we are going to use multi-purpose solution. No rub formula. Okay, guys? This is going to be the time of your life.
Oh, this is the time of my life. This is the good life.
Look at my beard, Mom.
Ooh.
It does smell good.
Oh, I took the top off of that, so you could pour it in.
Oh.
Didn't I?
No.
Oh.
How about I just do it like this?
Okay.
Apparently it doesn't want to come off.
Whee! I wonder how much we need. Whoa, it makes it nice.
Tell me when to stop.
Ooh.
I think I'll stop. It looks silly.
Really? I think we should put more in.
Hey, maybe we could add some color. Pink.
Okay.
Now we are, guys, guess what? We're going to add some pink hairspray.
Oh no, we have some like hair stuff that she's putting in. Let me show them what it is. She's putting in some washout color from Target.
Intense washout.
Whoa, it's really bright. Let's put more in.
A lot.
Wow. Don't touch it with your fingers.
It stains.
But it won't stain after it's in this. How's it doing? Do you need any saline solution?
Yeah.
Any more?
I don't know. It's really poofy.
This is taking forever to mix up, and I just feel like it would be so much nicer to play with if we added a little tiny bit of borax. So I had a little warm water, and I sprinkled in a little borax. So I'm just going to add a tinge. Watch this. Okay, that's enough. Let's see what that does.
Superwoman.
I'm going to add more.
Yeah, it's working, everyone. You guys are probably so excited to do this. Just like me. See, it's really sticky.
Play with it for like a minute, and then we'll show them what it's like then. This is good. This is really fluffy. I like this. Okay, so I think a combination of saline solution, borax, glitter glue, hair dye, and body foam really makes a nice slime. Okay.
It stretches. Hey.
Okay, let's show them how like a cloud it is. Ready?
Hi. doesn't rip.
This is our other video that we made. Show them. Boom. This one's like this. Like, pow.
No, like this.
This one's like this. Watch. It's like a ball of happiness.
Stretchy.
I feel no stress right now. Do you, Nicole?
Yes, it's all full of stretchy now. I don't feel any stretch, guys.
No, I said stress. Do you feel any stress? You know, like a stress ball.
This
Is that a pretzel?
It's a pretzel, everyone. This makes me happy.
Yeah.
Just happy. Okay? Happy. That's my heart. Ew. It's a fart putty.
Can you do it in your hand? Like,
It's a fart putty, everyone.
what if you make a ball of air inside? No?
It's like a balloon. Super stretchy.
Thanks for watching our show.
Bye!
Have fun. Be cheap. You can get really cool stuff when you're cheap.
Cheapos.
How much did this cost us? Let's see. We got the glue for free from Uncle Bob. And we got another glue for $1 at the clearance section. And we got
And
the
why
foam.
is-
What did we pay for the foam?
The phone,
50 cents, $1?
50 cents or $1.
And then the borax we already had at our house. And so we also had the saline solution and the hair dye. Bye-bye.
Sigh!